Writing down your vision is a simple yet powerful success habit that has the potential to transform your life. Successful individuals practice this habit to achieve big goals and get everything they want in their lives. Today, I want to share one extraordinary goal that I achieved a few years ago as a result of putting my vision and goals on paper. I am confident you too can realize your goals and dreams when you practice this simple habit. Some experts refer to this practice as law of attraction. In 2019, I embarked on a journey to transform a mere aspiration into a tangible reality. I wrote down an audacious dream to purchase a commercial building in 2020. At the time, I had $25,000 in my savings account, and the properties I was hoping to buy were selling for millions of dollars. As you can see, the odds were not in my favor, but I refused to let doubt cloud my vision. I placed my written vision where I could see it on a daily basis. Each day I would read my vision, fueling my belief with unwavering determination. Yes, you need to believe that your dream will come true, and seeing your vision on paper will help you build your faith. Successful individuals throughout history have harnessed the power of writing their visions. Vision boards serve as a constant reminder of their aspirations, propelling them towards their desired goals and dreams. If you decide to create a vision board, incorporate visual elements like photos and pictures. Our brains are captivated by imagery, and these visual cues can amplify the power of your vision. The human mind, while remarkable, can be an unreliable repository for crucial information. We are prone to forgetfulness, allowing dreams to fade into the recesses of our memory. Writing your vision anchors your dreams, transforming them from fleeting thoughts into enduring aspirations. The act of writing your vision extends beyond mere documentation. It programs your mind to believe in its realization. Our thoughts and self-talk shape our reality, and written vision serves as a powerful reinforcement of your desired outcomes. Visualization. The process of vividly picturing your vision is further enhanced by the written word. The written vision serves as a compass guiding our thoughts towards the fruition of our desires. Seeing your vision in black and white strengthens your faith in its manifestation, fueling your unwavering belief. The written vision acts as a lamp illuminating the path towards your desired destination. It clarifies your thoughts, providing a tangible representation of your aspirations. On December 15, 2020, my vision materialized. Listen to this. I used only $24,000 of my savings to acquire a commercial building worth over $2 million. The power of the written vision had transformed a dream into reality. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable feats by first committing their visions to paper. You too possess the potential to unlock the transformative power of writing your vision. I encourage you to embark on your journey today. Embrace this habit. Use it as your compass towards the most audacious dreams. Seize the power of the written word today, for within the inked lines of your vision lies the genesis of your journey toward greatness. It's your turn to take a pen and script your destiny. Write it boldly, believe in it fiercely, and watch as your vision and dreams unfold into tangible realities. The good book says, write the vision and engrave it plainly on tablets, so that the one who reads it will run. For the vision is yet for an appointed time. It hurries toward the goal. It will not fail. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.